Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. Myself Raza, and in this video I am going to discuss the multiple choice questions related to pair of linear equation in two variables. Especially in this video I am going to discuss the previously asked questions. Right, so this video is useful for the board examinations as well as polytechnic entrance exam, RJSs and all other competitive exams, so which are related to class 10 syllabus. Right, so let us start the first question. So which of the following equations is not a linear equation? So already we know in 8th class you have learned linear equation in one variable. So linear equation in one variable is nothing but given by ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. And in 9th class you have learnt about ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. So this is nothing but linear equation in two variables. Right, so here linear equation means the power should be 1. So among these, option A, x power 1 and y power 1. So you are having x power 1s. The same way here also all are having power 1s, whereas in option C if you observe, so you are having y power 2. So whenever you are having y square, then it is called as quadratic equation, not linear equation. Hence my answer is option C. Next, the pair of equations 4x plus 6y is equal to 7 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 has. Right, so two equations are given. So first of all we are going to compare these equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So we are going to compare. So from that we are going to find out the values of a1 by a2. So what is a1 by a2? So 4 by 2. So what is the value? 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. The same way b1 by b2. The value of b1 by b2 is nothing but y coefficient by y coefficient. So that is nothing but 6 by 3, which is nothing but equal to 2. Next, moving on to the constants. So c1 by c2 is equal to 7 by 8. So c1 by c2 is equal to 7 by 8. So from this what we can say? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So if this condition comes, then what we can say? So the lines are parallel, because we know that parallel lines differ only by their constants. So clearly the lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, there won't be any solution. Hence the answer is no solution. Next, the point of intersection of x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now from this what we can say? Simply write down the equations. X plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. So first of all you add them, then what I am going to get? 2x is equal to 10. So from this x is equal to 5. So when x is equal to 5, so 5 plus 1 is 6. So clearly y is equal to 1. So from the options answer is 5 comma 1. Next, the graph y is equal to ax plus b is a straight line which intersects x-axis at. So intersecting x-axis means, so y should be equal to 0. Intersecting x-axis means y is equal to 0. Simply put y is equal to 0, then what I am going to get? ax plus b is equal to 0. So from this ax is equal to minus b, x is equal to minus b by a. So from this what is the point then? So generally you know how to write a point. So first you will be writing x coordinate, then followed by y coordinate. That means minus b by a comma 0. Hence the answer is minus b by a comma 0. Right, so this particular minus b by a is nothing but called as x-intercept. Right, next moving on to question number 5. If the pair of equations 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0, 6x plus 9y plus 3 is equal to 0 has infinite solutions. So infinite solutions means what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So infinite solutions means the lines are coincident lines. The lines are coincident. That means their ratios, corresponding ratios will be equal. So from this what I can say? So 2 by 6 is equal to 3 by 9. So a1 by a2 means coefficients of x. Next b1 by b2 means coefficients of y, which is nothing but 3 by 9 is equal to k by 3. So you can compare with any one of these equations, then you are going to get the value of k. Now 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is equal to k by 3. So from this we are going to get k is equal to 1. Right? The same way, by comparing these two also you are going to get the same answer. Now let us see. So in 3 table, so this goes 1 time, this goes 3 times. So 1 by 3 is equal to k by 3. So clearly k is equal to 1. Hence the answer is k is equal to 1. Next, the pair of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are consistent. So consistent means, so it has solution. So it has solution. So if it has solution, there are two possibilities. One is unique solution and the other one is, so one is unique solution and the other one is infinite solutions. So there are two possibilities. Either it has unique solution or it has infinite solutions. So based on this, so what we can say, so when will you get unique solution? When the lines are intersecting. When will you say infinite solutions? When the lines are coincident. So coincident means one line lies above the other. So from this, what is the condition of unique solution? a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Next, for infinite solutions already we have expressed in the above. So based on this, what is the answer then? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So this will satisfy, and a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So option C also will satisfy. So based on this, we can say option A and C. Right? So consistent means it has a solution. So solution means you can have two possibilities. Either it can be unique solution or it has infinite solutions. Next, which of the following equations has the solution 1, minus 1? So for this, what we should do? We need to substitute and verify each and every option. Now when I substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1, then this becomes 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5, which is not equal to 6. So first option is not satisfying. Next, here this becomes 3 and this becomes minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1, which is not equal to 6. Next, 3 plus 2. So here this is 3, minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 is my answer, right? So option C will satisfy the given equation. Next, the line 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 intersects x-axis at. So already I told you, so intersects x-axis means at that position y will be equal to 0. Simply substitute y is equal to 0. What I am going to get? So 2x minus 0 is equal to 8. From this, 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4. So based on this, so what is the point? So first x coordinate, next y coordinate. So 4, 0 is my answer. Hence option D is my answer. Next, 6x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0 and kx plus y minus 7 is equal to 0 has no solution. So has no solution means, so what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So based on this, if I substitute the values, so this gives me 6 by k is equal to 2 by 1 is not equal to minus 9 by minus 7. So from this, what I can say, if I compare these two, so what I am going to get? So 2 times of k is equal to 6. So from this, k is equal to 3. Hence the answer for k is 3. It is option A. Next, moving on to question number 10. A pair of linear equation in two variables 2x minus y is equal to 4 and 4x minus 2y is equal to 6. The pair of equations are. So you need to say, so what is the answer? So based on this, so what is a1 by a2? So a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Next, finding out b1 by b2. So b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2, so which is equal to 1 by 2. Next, c1 by c2 is equal to, so 4 divided by 6, so which gives me 2 by 3. So these two are equal and this is not equal. right? So from this what I can say, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. Hence the lines are parallel. Hence it has no solution. So from this then what is the other word for no solution? So no solution means inconsistent. No solution means inconsistent. So answer is inconsistent. Next, solution for the equations. If you observe this, root 3x plus root 5y is equal to 0 and root 7x plus root 11y is equal to 0. Here there are no constant terms. So whenever you are having a1x plus b1y is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y is equal to 0, so such type of equations are called as homogeneous equations. So they are called as homogeneous equations, right? So whenever you are given with homogeneous equations, so homogeneous linear equations, then clearly 0, 0 will be one of the answers, right? So homogeneous, NOUS, right? So whenever you don't have any constants, so then you will have two homogeneous equations. So for these homogeneous equations, 0, 0 will be one of the solutions always. Next, moving on to question number 12. The value of x in the variable, so in the equation, so we need to simplify this. So how can you do this? 3x, this minus we need to multiply with both the terms because it follows distributive property. So minus x minus of minus 4 is plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 1. So on both sides I can cancel out plus 3x because when you transpose they will get cancelled. Now this minus x I am transposing to right hand side and this plus 1 I am transposing to left hand side. Then what I am going to have, 4 minus 1 is equal to plus x. So from this x is equal to 3. Hence the answer is x is equal to 3. Next, which of the following is inconsistent equation to 2x plus 3y minus 5? So what is meant by inconsistent? So inconsistent means it should not have solution. So it should not have solution means the lines should be parallel. So lines should be parallel means c1 by c2 should not be equal to a1 by a2, or c1 by c2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. Now if you observe, so 2, 3, here 2 2s are 4, next 3 2s are 6, next 5, so here we are having 11, so 5 2s are 10, but here he has given 11, so clearly 2 by 4 is, now if you observe carefully, here we are having 2x plus 3y. So when you consider any multiple, so you should have the multiple of 2x plus 3y as such. See here, when you consider this particular thing, so you should have 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the given equation, right? Now you need to verify which is inconsistent with this equation. If you observe this, so if you go with first option, so 2 by 4, next 3 by minus 6, next minus 5 by minus 11. So clearly here only it is failing. So option 1 is not possible. Next, second option if you go, so here you are having 2x, here also you are having 2x, but here you are having 3y, you don't have 3y here. So clearly second option also fails. Next, coming to third option, so here we are having 3y, here also we are having 3y, but here we don't have 2x. Okay, because it is failing this condition first. That means option A, option B, option C will not satisfy. Then only one option is remained, so that is option D. Next, the value of k for which the system of equations has no solution. So no solution means, so this is the condition it should follow. So from this what I can say, k by 6 should be equal to minus 1 by minus 2 is not equal to 2 by 3. Now based on this, so k by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 in 2 tables, so we can cancel it 3 times. So from this k is equal to 3, hence the value is k is equal to 3, right? So these are the previously asked questions, so in the board examinations, right? So thank you for watching the video. So stay connected with the channel for further more videos related to these examinations, right? So thank you.